Well, guys, today I have something pretty special. This is just your average Regula cuckoo clock. Got this for free from somebody. I'm gonna guess this thing was really never used a whole lot or at all because it came in a box. There was like absolutely no damage to this thing, and when I put it up on the wall, it was still kind of sluggish. I've had it running for about half an hour now. As you can see, it just went off, and it's working fine so far. I don't know how well it'll keep time, but we'll see once we get to that point. Although it was kind of sluggish because the bellows were not really lifting up. One, I don't think is lifting up all the way quite yet, but we're gonna see if it'll go on 9 o'clock. Okay, it's getting better. But yeah, that's what this clock is supposed to sound like. It is working perfectly as of now. And on 10 o'clock. Oh, and if you're wondering, I'm in a new place during college, so that's why you don't recognize this place. One last time. And that's all I have to show today, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.